Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now we have to localize the build number, which is almost at the very bottom of the list. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. As you can see, I'm already a developer, so I do not have to do that. And now we can go back. After that, we have to enter the system options, which are right above the About Phone, and tap on the developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, you can manage the display cutout, you can show service updates. Here you've got some options which are connected with the networking, so Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, USB, etc. So basically a lot of options to customize. And if you want to turn on the option, simply tap on the switcher on it and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by tapping on the switcher, which is pinned to the top of the screen. Just tap on it and as you can see, most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back you can see that the developer options will disappear. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.